bother you a little bit, and that's why I picked this one to go over. 2 thirds x squared, and then we have 8x minus 12x squared. Okay? Whoa, you can't see that one. Let's get that in the screen. There we go. Okay, so we have a monomial times a binomial. All we need to do is just distribute. But let's look at the fraction. When you multiply by a fraction, stick a 1 under your whole number. Okay? So we're going to have 2 thirds times 8 over 1. That's going to give me 16 thirds. Because, right, 2 times 8 is 16, 3 times 1 is 3. You just multiply the top and the bottom. And then x squared times x gives me x cubed. Okay, now let's multiply 2 thirds x squared times negative 12x squared. Well, again, stick a 1 under your 12. So 2 times negative 12 is negative 24. 3 times 1 is 3. And then x squared times x squared is x to the 4th. Okay, so there's our first step. We distributed in and multiplied by our fraction. Now we need to get it in the correct order. Notice this is a 4th degree, this is a 3rd degree, so I need to switch the orders. The other thing is this one reduces, doesn't it? So let's take it down to simplest form. 24 divided by 3 is just 8, x to the 4th. And then it's still negative, so I got to bring the negative with it. And then I have a positive 16 thirds x cubed. And you just want to leave it, as an improper fraction. It's just a little bit easier to deal with. And there you go. So that was number 9. Okay, so that was one selected problem because it had fractions. I thought it might bother you just a tad.